today gonna deal with the problem where the car door doesn't open anymore and it just pop up like that, and I try to fix it. So basically need to open inside. First you need to remove this one from this pocket, get this one out, and with the home tools try to fix this one using just some plain wire. So basically from this hole there is this part here need to pop up, so same with this part, and just as this one is with circles, need to get that one in the L position, pressing it all the way in the end, and then it pops up, and all the way need to find just sweet spot and just pull it. Actually very easy. This part should come off now. And now this one was all the way loose. No need to remove this one, just need to find, there's a little shaft there, but just need to get this hook back to the shaft. Yep, feels like it works. Let's try to close the door. And no problem, easy fix. Just need to put that one back on again. Lift this one up, otherwise it doesn't fit in. All the way in, fixed. Using just this screwdriver, pop up this one again, and problem solved. This rubber needs to go back on the spot.